Readable streams provide a mechanism to easily read data coming into your application from another source. Some common examples of readable streams are client-side HTTP response, server-side HTTP requests, FS-read streams, zlib streams, crypto streams, TCP sockets, child processes std out and std error, process.std in. Readable streams provide the read method to read the data, where size specifies the number of bytes to read from the stream. Read method can return a string value, a buffer value, or a null value. There are some readable methods. Readable event will be called when a chunk of data can be read from the stream. Data event is similar to readable event, except the stream is turned into flowing mode, and the data method will handler is called continuously until all data has been drained. End event emitted when the data will no longer available into stream. Close event emitted when the underlying resource, such as file, has been closed. Error event will be emitted when an error occurred while receiving a data. To implement the custom readable stream object, you need to first inherit the functionality for readable streams. The simplest way to do that is to use the util module's inherits method. Answer.prototype.read function will be implemented to handle pushing data to stream. The call of read function will return first item from the stream, and the rest of items will be read from stream by data event handler. Here is an example with reading data from txt file, with the use of createReadStream function. This function accepts two parameters. One is path of file, and second is stream options. Same like the previous function, data event will read the content from the file, as per the given options. Thank you for watching.